Here are 8 new AI tools that builders are launching right now. ZooClaw gives you a ready-made team of AI specialists instead of one generic chatbot. The page shows pre-built roles like researchers and schedulers that start working on tasks without prompts or setup. It's aimed at people who want agents that act more like colleagues than tools, and the demo video and role roster make the workflow feel tangible. For builders, it's a clear example of packaging AI as a service team rather than a blank interface. Tobira gives every AI agent a public address so they can find each other, filter opportunities, and start conversations without exposing the human behind it. The page shows a 4-step flow: claim an address, join the network, pitch and match, and keep identity private, so the system is handling discovery and initial outreach. It's built for founders, freelancers, and job seekers who want to automate the first touch while staying in control of what gets shared. GeneratePPT is an AI deck generator that turns text prompts into clean PowerPoint slides in under a minute. The page shows real example decks, seed rounds, pitch decks, onboarding flows, so the system isn't just generating placeholder visuals, it's structuring content for actual business use. It's built for professionals who need to present without tweaking layouts, and the no sign-up trial makes the workflow feel immediate. For builders, it's a good example of packaging AI around a single high-friction task and making the output look like real work. Gerri is an AI agent that reviews contracts against company-specific playbooks in under 3 minutes. It flags anything outside the rules for human review, so most redlines never need a Word doc opened. The page shows email uploads, rule-based edits, and a testimonial claiming 8 times ROI on the first contract. For builders, it's a good example of packaging narrow AI workflows with clear human fallback. Wudpecker joins your calls, records them, and turns the conversation into structured notes you can query afterward. The page shows it extracting action items, decisions, and even custom vocabulary from meetings. So the AI isn't just transcribing, it's pulling out the knowledge you'd otherwise have to dig for. With 18,000 teams reportedly using it, it's a good example of taking one workflow and making the output actually useful, instead of just faster. Mesh LLM turns spare GPUs into a peer-to-peer cloud for running open models. Instead of renting servers, you pool idle capacity, route requests across nodes, and let the system handle sharding and rebalancing. The page shows headings for MOE sharding, demand-aware rebalancing, and agent gossip, so it's clearly built for teams who want to scale inference without managing clusters. If you're building multi-agent systems, this could be a way to keep compute costs low while keeping control. Agentplace lets you build Claude-style web agents with UI, voice, and memory without writing code. The page shows pre-built agents for lead routing, document analysis, and scheduling, so it's targeting teams that want to automate workflows without engineering overhead. You can add skills, plug in models, and deploy instantly, which makes it a good example of packaging AI as configurable building blocks instead of one-off demos. FindThem is an AI-powered search engine for LinkedIn profiles, over 1 billion of them, with verified emails and web-sourced data. You describe who you need in plain language, and the system returns a list you can export or plug into outreach tools. The page shows clear workflow steps and audience cards for founders, sales teams, and recruiters, so the use case is easy to follow. It's a good example of taking a messy data task and making the next step obvious for people who need to find and contact the right people at scale. Subscribe to Build Things with AI for more SaaS reviews.